Intangibility, inseparability, variability, and perishability are four distinguishing features of service marketing. 1. Intangibility. Intangibility was described by McDougall and Snetsinger in 1990 as the lack of physical evidence and the extent to which a product or service cannot provide a clear, concrete image. You can't see, taste, touch, hear, or smell a service before you buy it. A customer at a hair shop, for example, only has an appointment and the promise of a new cut. The salon wants to show that its service is skilled but also tailored to each client. They need to put themselves out there as such and really mean it. The outside and inside of the salon should be clean and show off high-quality goods. The staff should be well-dressed and friendly toward customers. The tools and equipment should be clean and up-to-date looking. The salon's value proposition should include its online presence, its website, social media, email campaigns, customer loyalty programs, and other forms of contact should give the impression of professional service and quality. 2. Inseparability. The dictionary says that inseparability is the quality or state of not being able to be split or separated. Inseparability is one of the things that makes service marketing unique. When they buy something, most customers can tell the difference between the object and the person who sells it to them. When buying a service, on the other hand, customers usually buy it when they want to use it. This can make it hard for them to tell the service they get from the business or person who gives it to them. For example, a diner sells goods and provides services like making and serving food, setting up and cleaning tables, giving out a menu, and maybe even putting on a show. When a customer goes to a restaurant, he or she will eat their meal there. But even if the food is good, the service, the atmosphere, or even the location of the place can make the whole experience bad. It can be hard for guests to tell how good the service is from how good the food is because so many things can affect their experience. Every encounter is an important part of the whole. 3. Variability. Variability means that things aren't always the same, and it counts how much different things are. When you buy a physical thing, the product is the same no matter where you buy it, in a store or online. When buying services, there is more variation because the same service from different sellers will always be done in different ways. For example, when dealing with insurance claims, one employee might be friendly and helpful, while another might be rude and uninterested. Even the quality of service given by a single member of staff can vary. The amount of service they give could be different for each customer and depend a lot on how busy they are and how they're feeling. The quality of service a customer gets might rest on which vendor they choose and who helps them. 4. Perishability. Goods and services that have an end date are called perishable. Services, like food, go bad, which means that you can't save them to use later. Some services, like some foods, can go bad if they are not used within a certain amount of time. You can't keep or store movie tickets, theater reservations, doctor's visits, or hotel reservations for later use. If the service isn't used, it goes away, and a new ticket or order will need to be made. Businesses can change the way they offer and sell their services in a number of ways. For example, the price of the same room at a hotel will be different during peak season and off-peak season. During the busy season, part-time workers could be hired to help spread out the work and serve more tourists.